That'll be $16.
$16? That's expensive.
Yes, sir. Everything's very expensive because you're paying for it on an iPad. Now, if you'll just select a gratuity, options are 60%, 90%, and 200%.
I guess 60%?
Okay, great. And just sign by dragging your bare finger across this thing I use to masturbate.
Okay.
Thank you. Please make sure to bang your head on that low-hanging thing.
What do you— Ah!
Oh, you spilled something. You want a napkin?
Yes, please.
All right, here's 40 blown by the wind.